Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever stopped and thought, how the heck does my brain remember stuff? Or wondered why some things are easy to learn while others feel like a mental marathon? Well, get ready to dive headfirst into the fascinating world of your brain, because we're about to unlock how it learns and changes with every experience. Imagine your brain is like a massive city. It's got billions of tiny inhabitants, your brain cells. These cells aren't just hanging out. They're forming neighborhoods called cell assemblies. Think of these like your brain's specialized teams. You've got a team for recognizing your best friend's face, another for that guitar riff you're practicing, even one for the feeling of excitement when you see a puppy. The coolest thing, these teams aren't set in stone. They're constantly rewiring and adapting based on what you do. This is where a brilliant scientist named Donald Hebb comes in. He had a groundbreaking idea. Neurons that fire together wire together. What's that mean? Well, when brain cells get activated at the same time, their connection strengthens. It's like they create superhighways between them. The more you use a certain brain road, the smoother and faster those cells can communicate. This is the foundation of learning. Think about riding a bike. At first, it's super wobbly. Why? Because the brain team's controlling balance, movement, eyesight. They're not used to working in sync. But with practice, they fire together over and over again. Their connections get stronger, and suddenly you're zooming down the street. This same principle applies to everything from memorizing historical facts to mastering a new dance move. Hebb's ideas didn't just stay in science textbooks. They helped shape fields like neuropsychology, the study of how the brain influences our thoughts, feelings, and actions. His influence even extends to those smart computer programs, called artificial neural networks, that are inspired by how our brains learn. But the incredible thing about this whole brain business is that we're still figuring it out. Scientists now have awesome tools to see learning happen in real time. We know timing influences those brain changes, and that there's a bunch of chemical messengers turning the volume up or down on brain connections. The key thing to remember is that your brain is a work in progress. It's shaped by your choices, what you choose to practice, what you're curious about, what you expose yourself to. That's incredibly empowering because it means you have a say in how your brain develops. Hebb's work is a reminder of the amazing potential within that 3-pound blob in your head. It sparked discoveries that help us understand and treat the brain, create innovative technology, and it proves that the most fascinating mysteries often lie within ourselves. If you want to learn more, click on the link in the description to get our book, Wiring the Brain: Hebb's Legacy in Learning and Memory.